Hello. I've loved the English language my whole life. It's so rich. There is a multitude of different ways to say things. Nowadays, being able to read, write and speak English is more important than ever because it's the most widely spoken language in the world. If you're Egyptian, this is for you. Egyptians find difficulty with 3 English sounds which I'm going to deal with in this video. And those are p, th and r. Let's start with p, p. P and B are very similar, being formed explosively with the lips and breath. It's just that p uses no vibration from the voice box and b is said using the voice box as well. And it's the p sound that Egyptians struggle with. And that's simply because there is no p sound in Arabic. Take the word peach. It begins with the sound p, and then the voice kicks in with each, p, each, p, each, peach. What about apple? If you don't turn off your vocal cords on the p sound, you get abble. So you have to go apple, apple, apple. Here's a passage to say over and over to get the p sound right. Peter parked his car near the pavement and purchased a Pepsi for himself and peach juice for Penny, his partner. Soon they felt hungry. Fortunately, Peter had brought some apple pie from a party he had attended, and they each had a piece. They were perfectly happy people. Next, let's have a look at the th sound. Many Egyptians have difficulty with this one. Th is formed by placing the top of the tongue under the front teeth and blowing out air. Th, th, th. Sometimes the voice box is used. The. Let's look at some examples. We will begin with the word this. Quite a few people, including the French and Germans, mispronounce it by saying zis. The z sound is made with the tongue against the gum below the lower front teeth. Feel the difference. Z, th, z, th, z, th. Sometimes the th sound is pronounced without voice, such as in with. In this case, the position of the tongue is the same, but the voice is not used. Here's a passage to practice the th sounds. On the last Thursday of this month, the 25th, I have to get my teeth fixed. That is the 4th time this year that my teeth have needed attention. I hope after this that my mouth will be healthy. Now we come to the letter R. Speakers of other languages often tend to roll the R, like this. R. There's actually nothing very wrong with that in terms of being able to understand what a person says. But if you would like to sound more English, then you want to lose the r sound and replace it with r. Here's how to do it. The sound r is made with the tip of the tongue vibrating on the roof of the mouth, r, whereas the softer r sound is made by making your tongue kind of U-shaped and producing a softer vibration. R. My brother Brian and his friend Lorraine rented a red Renault car yesterday. And here's another. Round and round the rugged rock, the ragged rascal ran. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Bye for now.
Yeah.